Tikki. That wasn't gonna last long. Ivany very paisu. So that friendship there, I'm not adding on nobody. Don't send no request on my life. Let me sit on my life and talk about what I'm talking about. Hello, sir. Please move from a page. Anytime I hear people talk about people not run and send requests, don't send any. So Ivany did things say. Ivany did Tikki did things said that friendship, but that fear to Tikki. Cause when he got Miami, hear him now, whoa, the donkey are mad. Whoa, Destiny are mad. You dirty blood clot. You know who is Ivany? I mean, know Ivany in real life. You know who is Ivany? I think he had the problem in that situation, yeah. Tikki is the problem in the situation. I understand where she's coming from. I should not do nothing wrong. But she's supposed to give him money. It is his money. I go talk truth and facts. And if me and her friend, I go tell her. I go say, girl, give the boy money. Give him money. And give him money. It's his money. You can't hold on for him. You can't get no problem for it. If you have proof, say, the money come to Ivany. Give him money. I fee money. It's not yours. But the end of the day, Tikki wrong. Then again, I don't know, maybe I take all the money to you, man, the way Tikki are going. I don't know maybe I take money too. Because what she's saying that she's saying that Tikki locked down in PayPal. So let me tell you something. Tikki is wrong in many ways. Because let me tell you this. Me not give nobody my card. For use, me not give nobody my card for put no PayPal pan. I don't care. So at the end of the day, she help you, Tikki. I don't give a fuck. Me that thief money too. Me not blame Ivany. Thief blood clot too. Me not give nobody my card. Anybody else give somebody them card. I really love that. Cause nobody not give my card from PayPal. Me sorry. Nobody not get my card. We put on PayPal. Moderator, who you mute? What the lady say why you mute her? Me tell you, Rihanna, be careful of the people when you mute because you don't really understand the live, yeah. What the lady say why you mute her? What did she say? Don't mute nobody, no black nobody. I will do the job. You said it too early. Well, you should have muted her for that. You should have just give her a nice block. When they come and say anything negative and disrespect, you block them. But when you want to see what she say, block. Me block her. You too blood clot early. You live in Switzerland after two dirty woman. She too enough. You don't live here, never travel come here dirty girl. You live in Jamaica, stay at Jamaica. You don't live a blood clot Switzerland. You don't live blood clot, yes sir. And after two now. You don't live here. I live in this country. You ever travel come to Europe yet? Beg on some taps, guys. Please answer. Just beg on some taps. Remember me now beg on give a tap, me I beg on. When you go by Rosalie live, you have to tap up it blood clot issue black on so tap up this year. Who's a regulation over here? When you go by Rosalie live, I'm at live, you have to tap up if you not tap up, a black share black or no. So tap up this blood and I change my rules and land start black on for true too. Oh, because I go by Rosalie live, they enforce enough black tap and I have to tap. So I ask enough look tap, please. I come over here a big look tap and a big please. I should have a big please. Rosalie not a big please. Rosalie not a big please, down no tap up in my life. Say for the now go tap. I have to go. Okay, see what's like going over yesterday now. Yeah. So what I'm saying is, nobody now use them cash up card. Nobody now use them card on PayPal. And if Ivany give her the card to use on PayPal, that means coming a lot of people say Ivany must give him the money. But yes, still have to remember that If are some people them not give the money, which is you can't give him the money. You can't give him the money. That's true. His money you can't give him. But what I'm saying is, me not give my card. Me not give nobody my card. I won't do that. I won't give anybody my card to put on. Why them lock down our PayPal? Too much money I come. She say, what happened? I don't understand. Why they lock down her PayPal? Either she's saying that too much money, them realize that too much money I sent to the same person today. Well, I don't know. Why them not doing our PayPal? Tikki, trust her. You don't understand, you know. You don't understand. It's not Tikki is in the problem. It's Ivany is in the problem. Because Ivany use her card and Tikki PayPal. Card. PayPal is nothing. But when you use a credit card and somebody PayPal, and you another problem. Your credit card. So you can't talk about Tikki just Ivany. That you can't say Tikki just Ivany. That after Ivany just Tikki. Because nobody now give nobody them credit card for use spam PayPal. I'm not doing that shit. I don't care. The only somebody when I do it, I must my mother. I do it with my brother. Hello, leave Ivany. Me buy my Bessie. Oh. She do something wrong? Where I say she a scammer? What she do wrong? Only Felix with common sense. My PayPal, my card locked down, right? And me I tell you as Tikki. Hold on. My card locked down, right? And me I say, Tikki, you know, say my card locked down. You don't have no interest. If you say all that, I know me I talk about it and so. The only thing you ask me, when me I get my money, when me I get my money. That means you don't care. Speaking about that, because when we talk now make no sense. My card locked down and me I call you say my card locked down. And the only thing you tell me on the phone is, when me I get my money, when me I get my money. That's... Once me see me tell you say my card locked down and me show you're not showing no interest like you're not sorry. Me I take your money for true. Me I see if it blood clot and no pussy can't come. Me I take it for true. I don't say true, me not pick up fear, my love. Me for me say should I give him the money, but if for me, she can't give it me now. But if it's me, and the money alone, he might defend. Jada, don't make me have to block your stinking blood clot. Don't make me have to block you. What kind of situation? What kind of situation? Money come and go. I lose more than blood clot $3,000 casino. Come good girl. What you talking about? Yeah, because the casino, I beat down the casino. Me walk away with the losing. What do you mean I'm not in the situation? The woman same tell him, say, me on the highway. The woman same tell him, say, Tikki, I'm on the highway. I'm brought down. Me can't go nowhere. He wait Tikki will want go Dali Sunday. Here I know. I'm still got Dali Sunday. The woman tell us, say, I'm brought down on the highway. She can't go. And you keep an ask man because what? You're interested in yourself. You're interested in you're interested in money. And you know him well one guy that is Sunday for true. And trust me if you got Sunday, I beat out a blood clot. Then I beat you. Okay, so the Florida man them, trust me darling, you have no chance down there. They're very terrible. The Florida Jamaican them, oh God. At least it come like them not tell you. The Florida man them, they made a bust up your blood clot. The Jamaican them, they don't care about pussy clot. See there? Tikki lose all his support with this foolishness. Hear there? Because him call and him a cuss and he thinks them. You could have just have a reason situation. You know he's done with Ivany and Yana attack and everything. But Ivany wicked and terrible and can't tell me me. You know, so me and her friend, I don't send her nothing about nobody. I don't tell her nothing about nobody. She could come out and say, oh, Destiny, I chat somebody this time. I lie. Me not do that a blood clot. But you go hear the judgment. You go hear the blood clot judgment. Because me know say some chatting I go and you go hear them and say, oh, you chat Destiny, Destiny. Me say, I go hear. Him can't make Triple call Ivany because Miss Triple Ivany is not friend. So Miss Triple call Ivany. Miss Triple did call Ivany. That's how I know them are hypocrite. She cuss me say me bring down her pitney. I mean your Ivany bring down her and say, oh man, fuck her pitney and grip her pitney. And she Ivany her friend. That's how I'm saying them are hypocrite. I must say Miss Triple. Okay then, why I thinking them I use Miss Triple card? I could have true that. What not true? But they bring down?